mama sa mo me din biom san say ansemo ni tin e mo obi ani din Kegyiwa na kasa ni Eric Asiedu Boadi Yanku ani
Adom Sports number one.
Awza yanko na yanhwe se ne nsam no asiete me patro ya wada de animu ampa na edwa kra sanse ebeye ngege ebeye se ngege watamale and a GFA elective congress na ya kwahwe ne ato aba ne yi the executive council for mo betena so the various football associations regions awodo no so wo chairman for no but we kwakoto aba hwe se bibia betima koye na ura keto kraku so one Georgia free showdown no so kwasen me no kasa FIFA mpanifo soma mpanifo so mo mra no ma supervise elections no na say no be a judges want to say ade no cast samba mo na FIFA for one man suma penifo kra mama badin din enya sam get akra na former president of the Nigeria Football Association Amaju Marvin Pinnick waba be piem o maimu a chese kwambia so no wo si FIFA na mu din na ora sana genesis a nyeize Amaju kasa no wo kire mo say ora keto kra kwa mu oba wo buo wo efe ho no ekoye pa FIFA fo ni te ho ehwe de eko.
There's a lot about for the last 4 years. A lot. COVID took over 2 years. Over 2 years of not just our precious time. Every businesses went down. This is not sui generis to Ghana alone. Practically. But in spite of that, one thing that I know, I can tell you 100%, which is very key in terms of football politics, association, harmony, he's been able to launch himself within a very short time to that top echelon. Today he's the president of our football, my boss. Our football.
I say, I am a boss. I wafu. TBBI, you're fine. Any idea? Benika, can one say when we patrol from 2014 to 2022, and president of the Nigeria Football Federation and CAF. So our vice president from September 2018 to 2019, and Okopiem wo FIFA say I work the executive council and FIFA at Tonaba Shi Banai. So I can when Ghana elections, not just in the Besiako, Nebia and fine party. I don't understand. I won't say so. Elections in the idea. I'm say tamale ebe kwaso showdown ebe si e wa tamale no shaking cry the few was where by don't some so ba no ya can elections ne one some no the electoral committee of the Ghana Football Association in Qatar betu just Adom Sports mun kan obi antibi as a Central Regional Football Association chairmanship no nanka yowura Abdul Hayati wono na wone Robert Duncan de ko boni anya sanketo akwa nei dia betu Johannes Abdul Hayati say otana sedin hwa 1 to 1 to the team the big count subtraction addition Venn diagram long division eso twene wo film tinei aye Abdul Hayati twene wo elections ni mu a se no Robert Duncan pin ye kwatamala kopegya ne nsa ne ahwese ne wonsam so besi akọ anya sanketo aticha so sa enso efa emame na tamale ebakaka bibia boma twetwe bia film bia kam ne ahwese ne wonsam ebesi akọ abza ya ka no ensam on ye tinsim ne emere Ghana clubs a ekokosi ye namo ewo the CAF Confederation Cup and the CAF Confederation Cup mama kwoti ani pa nyasam keto akra meka me Diema Sporting Club ni Dream Selves ye hu bia che we nya won to nam da na we de woto na ma che ne yakoto brebo etimum ye ni kakra ni abre na akoko pie mu wo ye me Diema fo akache a wo mani bedi abede nyasam keto enra wo mo ye press conference ya wo mo akire mu modembo a wo mo ekoko boy ye ena fesu no de wo mo ko mu kakra fo mu ni ase ene de Ghana fo so mo hwe mani mu na mo kwakọ ye wo group stage ni mu patwa nche draw no beba so na Moses Amapaka president de ma Diema Sporting Club no walk us out press conference na say no dey some to dwa kire mu se chale bra ya brepa sika ya se no anya sanketo akra eti se se no de ombehia ade afia ban ho ene se ye discover so mas na say ade ne beden what class bi e bo Africa ni bia aban sika o dey so mas ne nyezi it was sraban just say Boshe bebre kurasha mo kromo fama mo to osram so man so masene dia enkaye.
We want to highlight that it did not come on a silver platter, and we know we have a far more difficult task ahead as we will play against the giant in Africa in the group stage. Our experience in participating in the CAF club competitions has taught us that you need not less than $150,000 to play in a game depending on where you are traveling to. For example, our our 2 games we played before qualification cost us $300,000. Our experience has also taught us that the teams that participate in CAF club competitions are supported by their government, especially clubs from North Africa, Central and East Africa, including the team we just eliminated, Royal SC. We plead that the government of Ghana and corporate Ghana should come to our aid.
Way and Brofua Moses Samapaka president, the Mediama Sporting Club, or they are to a draft. I said, Womatuma Roya, no more common, no more stress. I buy Besso Massinica, Sansa clubs to Kakam, no more boy, Nini Bibrinano, I buy a saw Massinity, Beverson, and one some so, ABC Aqua. Now, ya can sign on a Calf Confederation Cup, Dream 74, and a Quincy Ghana name, almost so Aqua Bodma, about rather Confederation Cup group stage anymore. Now, what Champions League in Media Bay, 11 years now, Okopiemo. Our year Confederation Cup now 5 years in Ghana club beat me Bovremo group stage and Kotoko 2019 no more years Edmano. Now they say the Yakopimo Kalu FC4 but Yamwa, but your dreams for a year Moton China qualify Kokopimo $400,000. Babaka Dreams FC4 no more trade Niamana Bibia Timia Koye. Now wrestling a drawn here train dreams met me I shall likes of Zamalek Money a Koya Money as a class me bring now bet me share Mediama for our year group stage anymore. Now Yaka Sika 400,000 now Bano and Samono. Naman for any Sikabani and Aminu Shadow and the general manager Edma Dream Steps was Sikana Bananya said they show Monzo.
Minimum you are entitled to $400,000. But can you fashion first and foremost no for the 4 matches your boy lose 2 rounds no. The lean budget never since I've not had the final one, but we are going hitting over $300,000. That's for the qualification. And you have 6 matches to play and you are entitled to $400,000. $400,000 also no. They will not give you upon qualification. Real competition. Maybe I'll be could do now. I feel your match. So what fines be a yellow card, red card, and I said this probably issues. Touch lines that inner perimeter. I'm not infiltrating dressing room. Maybe it wasn't up to standard. Fines near baby. Maybe a fan behavior. Or my flares. Need the idea. 400,000 at least. I was say born by. So there be a real competition. At least we get a chunk of the $400,000 or even all. Because I know in fact, it's not a profit-making venture. Playing African club competition is not a profit-making venture.
Right, I mean, Shadow, general manager, the Dream Steps in somebody to Jaffas, Cano, Mediama, DNS 700,000, and a Dreams near 400,000. Now, Yaka Dreams name it, Yama, some Yapreco, a former Black Stars player, where coach, what in some country to Jawa, send you, some Tim Simiano, African, never found us.
We have to congratulate them. Tim Simiano, unfortunately, you get it. Something A3 football there. Abrabon can say A3 because unfortunate for Finance and House of Folk when they had a good team, they won the league hands down with a very good team. They went to Africa with the same team. Ogonya not Africans for what yes, you are fortunate here Unya West Africa. You just come out with your friends and your best, and I'm happy say 2 teams in Omunya West Africa, and it still shows West Africa that's what so we can still compete. So I'm happy for the 2 teams. They're going to the group stages. We just pray for them to go and do well and make Ghana proud.
Jim FM. When you are preco, you are rash, Nesama. What are you 2? You see, 2 teams in one summer. Young club 1-2 be and Sunny and sorry, Pacho. Metama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. After 3 games, Momuntimi inform on San see Wamobonka say Koye, but they be under the Yakan so more rebrede, only Bredenia, the idea, now more rebrede no. And I'm on 4 person which I say prosperity Ogum. Head coach Makoto Kwaso, yes, experiment, and all the wage them, no changing, no yes, any but prosper said I be an experiment. Yeah, boys, no to say it's a team no talent in the war. I think all more stress and umbrella together. Yes, experimenting.
We are not experimenting. The style is there. Did you see any confusion or did you see any discomfort in the players in terms of, playing out from the back, consolidating possession in the middle of the park, and then going up front? From Heart of Lions, we play the same way. Bebieni, we changed just the formation and they were able to adapt. You saw how we played. We are not experimenting. It's a style. You saw it. It was solid from the beginning of the hustle to the end. Did we change? We didn't. So where is the experimentation? It's the players. I mean, they are all capable. So what they do at training, and depending on the upcoming game, we select players to come and play. That's all. Yeah, everybody is competent. Everybody is competent. So everybody has an equal and known chance of being selected to play, depending on their performance at training and depending on the tactical approach of the upcoming game. And it tells you that there's depth in the team. So if, for instance, today 6 new players started and look at the way they played, it's a good signal.
Where in a prosperity okum, Ninsama de 2 Jana was sending MSC was a good signal. Now, Captain the Marco Tokono, Dalad Ibrahim, one also Casach, a dear Bakwa place, no air show moon, cram, woman, Vim Crasset, woman, you know, when we name Rano, winning bonus, no money. Hey, and it's other we had money in Tiago. No man for check on balance. No more check on balance. Kevin no more check on balance. Now I say I had to so much chanting temtem. Person we need ban tentem na omunya winning bonus. I just talk at Tom kakra so. Chale, was me get training kwa de. We not to win back to back de. We keep ya now winning bonus.
Who say young kasa as a playing body. One kasa say we days the job. You about 3 games. You get your bonus back okra. So in terms of that, no like you won't hang high because ojo salary enche CCI besa. Yes, but bonus no. Oh, when we are talking, you know, these are the staffs to motivate us. And you pay for in terms of bonuses. Say it may win 3 games in a row. We have a special bonus and stuff. So ultimately, when we are talking, Charlie, you know, like Saneman SAT.
Way any and some Dalad Ibrahim, one on where Captain Demakoro, what they are to a job. Now, also focus for Kachempatoti. How's it for next 5 games in your live on Facebook? Chaladineding. Hearts ever go home to dreams. And the answer Mundakakra. No more call away to House of Lions. No more by fear against Samatex. No more about Gold Stars. Ewo Bibiani. And some more by fear about Diema. These are the next 5 games for us to focus. Against Dreams, against House of Lions away, home to Samatex, then they go away to Gold Stars. Now from by fear about Diema. Wow. Wait. And it's any 70 city. Hey, Manchester Nyaba, Master Vim, has of Vim. I was never sorry, so Shannon Sumam and the Champions League World Live commentary, bro. Casa Fidei, Adom 106.3 FM, and Union Berlin, Sporting Braga of Portugal, Nebo, Red Bull Salzburg, Real Sociedad, Manchester United, Galatasaray, Inter Milan, Benfica, and the Airprim Sona, PSV, and Dovin, Sevilla, and the Aboni Land, and the Arsenal of England, and Napoli, and the Real Madrid, the Bona, Copenhagen, and the Bayern Munich, so the Aboni, and Tiway, and Manchester Bebaso, Manchester United, and Galatasaray, Old Trafford. Wow. Manchester won ceremony and Enra Chelsea Tidano, one much Fulham no more my Fulham Manida okay, Chelsea for a long while. And but Chelsea and Radia, oh, and Radiana Bonefe. Chelsea fast I feed them on Pum, Tomushi too, and Thomas way yet, Jack and a Baby La Liga La Somas, we need 2 of us Saturday Vigo, and Monza Qua with Sasolo Cuini, Florentina Ball Cagliari by 3 goals to Neo, Torino Verona, 0-0. I was a time number cough, just see this now, it was so Jumadia so, and F pack the BX tablets, and Ponsefa, they can't want to be a mere sound bro. F pack on Yabe BX tablets, no so much a bit more for Sunny, Tiano and Society, mammy. Na and not at Tanchania, empty and everywhere go, my empty up on also they say the BPS piano, and free bonto and easy. My empty up on DBS in Associated Limited about dinosaur, about dinosaur DBS, but on touch and said, beyond Fabonano, DBS roofing Papa Perfume, still in concrete works, so much San Jaboswa, and Yasam Ketuakra. Alex Quabinastone, Immortal Jaqua Champon, right time and your affair, James on the Bamakion. Me producers, I don't know. Kaisa would in Nankasaba Kegyiwa, Eric, Asiedu Boadi. Page 1 in the West Anywhere, the commentary, bro, because what you just want some.
Feel every day.